Okay, so I figured I'd show you my setup for coloring icing and preparing for a cookie order. So here, usually what I like to do is I like to set this up in this way to start coloring my icing. I usually have a picture of my color palette and I choose my colors. In this case, these are the colors that I'm using from the Sugar Art. I mainly used the red and the knockout pink. I haven't started using this one, but I'm going to use it. I just wanted to show you how I set this up. So I have a palette color of the idea that I want for this cookie set, and it's a birthday cookie set. It's not Valentine's Day, but it is kind of girly, so that's why Valentine's colors. So I usually set up in this way where I have the colors. I bring a few cups or glasses with me because what I'll do is I'll actually use these as holders to hold my bags in. You basically just fold it out and place your bag in there. I have extra bags, a bottle of water to thin down the icing. I have a measuring spoon in case I need it for the water. I use a spreader for once my icing is in my bag to kind of squish it down to the end so that I'm able to make this knot. I have a big batch of royal icing, fresh royal icing that I made that is not thinned out, so this is thick consistency. I have these bowls where I mix my icing right here. And I love these little spatulas because they are flexible. So when you're trying to scoop out, you don't leave too much in the bowl. I also have this little container where this is from my previous order, but I'll empty this out, wash it. And every time I'm finished with my order for the night, I will put the colors, the bags of icing, and any other tools that I'm using in here. Like for example, this goes in here. My little turntable goes in there. And then to tie the knot at the top of my bags, I like to use these office clips. I bought them in bulk and then I just reuse them. I've lost a few over the years. I've had this bag for 6 years, so I just reuse them. Sometimes I lose them, but that is my setup. I wanted to show you guys in case you're interested. Please let me know if you have any questions down below. If you want to see a more extensive video of how I set up and how the whole process goes, I will be posting the videos of this cookie set on my Instagram, and I'll compile it and put it here on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.